Hey y'all, in today's makeup tutorial I'm creating this soft pink and brown halo cut crease. I love halo cut creases. I think they bring so much definition to your eye, and it also just makes the look come straight together, and I just think this look just screams spring. I love that spring is here and spring is around, so keep watching to learn how to create a halo cut crease. In today's video though, I decided to do a voiceover just to talk about my weight loss journey. For any new followers that are following me, or my OGs who have been seeing my 75 day soft challenge little vlogs, I just want to explain like what made me start and stuff like that, and what I'm doing to lose weight. So back in September of 2024, I just knew I needed a lifestyle change. I was the highest that I ever was, and I was pretty embarrassed, but at the same time I was worried about my health. And my fiance and I have future plans on creating a family and stuff like that, and you know, it's just better to be in better health when you do stuff like that. And also, if we do plan to have kids one day, like I want to be around for as long as I can, and also for Micah to have a life partner for as long as he can, and also just to feel better about myself and to not have so many health issues. I really want to adverse some of the health issues I have, or avoid any more that I could possibly get. I know sometimes in the family genes you can't really control, you know, that stuff's out of your control and stuff, but if I could avoid it at all cost, or try to adverse the symptoms, or even not make it as bad as, you know, some relatives have, I think that being on a weight loss journey is like the smartest thing I could do. And just to be a better person overall, like I want to inspire somebody else out there who may think that they can't do it, because I thought that for a very long time until I came across the calorie deficit diet, and I was really shocked at how easy it got after a few months of doing it. I also love that I've pushed myself to work out, and I feel like the 75 day soft challenge just boosted my mood, and I recommend it for anybody. Basically in the 75 day soft, you do 6 days out of the 7, you get 1 rest day a week, and you have to eat clean and drink better. You could drink occasionally. You have to read for 10 minutes, work out for 45 minutes, and yeah, that's about it. And I have been getting so much good results. I'm so proud of myself, and I just can't wait to continue going, and I hope that my videos somehow inspire someone else. And like I tell everybody, I think the calorie deficit has saved my life. I've tried so many diets, like I've said, and this was the only one that I felt very like I could do it. I mean, I've done it for so many months and I'm still going, and even though I have people all the time telling me this and that, I've grown to just draw them out, and I'm happy where I am. And I'm down about 57 pounds as of right now. My weight keeps going up and down, but my doctor just says it's water weight. But yeah, you guys will be seeing more weight loss videos. I want to document my journey, like I said, maybe inspire someone else along the way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you all in my next tutorial very soon. Thank you for allowing me to have this place to not only share my journey, but share my makeup and share my passions. I love you guys, and see you all in the next video. Bye.